Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me. I'm going to be cleaning one of the rooms upstairs. I believe I have never cleaned this particular room on camera for you guys, so I am so excited for you guys to be joining me today. Hopefully everyone is having a fabulous Sunday or whatever day that you're actually watching this video. So if you guys are ready, let's hop into it. I've already started off by clearing out the room, and then I decided to dust both the nightstands. I am using the Myers multi-surface cleaner in the scent Honeysuckle, and if you have been with me for a while, you know this is my favorite scent from Myers. So if you guys are not using this, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you guys remember, a while back I did a video where I created my own freshener, and I'm still to this day using that freshener. So all you do is get some of those laundry beads, put them in some hot water, and I'm telling you, this stuff works wonders and it saves you so much money.
Close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you
I love this little space in her room. It just looks like a little office inside of a room. That way she can do her homework, she can study, create music, and just do whatever she loves to do. And she's comfortable doing it.
Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby? Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest.
So I decided to clean my daughter's room on this particular day. She does not know I'm doing this. I know she is so busy right now because she is a 12th grader in high school and she's getting ready to go to college. She is working. She has a very high GPA. I am just so proud of her. And a lot of times she just does not have the time to stop and clean her room like she really wants to, because she's always on the go because she is in sports also, you guys. So this was just my way of saying thank you, and I love her just for being a good kid. And if you guys are interested in any more videos from me, go ahead and watch them over here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.